Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. We are AC Show. We are coming from China, Beijing, and we are a projector lenses supplier, and we are here to introduce our latest models. And this is our model ACOU, which is our latest model. It is a ultra short throw projector lenses, and the throw ratio is from 0.31 to 0.32, and it is aiming for auditorium for projectors. And on the side, these are our two other popular models. These are all aiming for immersive experiences. And for these two, one is a ultra short throw lenses. The throw ratio is from 0.5 to 0.52. And the other one is a short throw projector lens, and the throw ratio is from 0.6 to 0.6, yeah. And if you're interested in all these projector lenses, please come and visit our website. And also, you can try to search out us online. And if you're interested, we are definitely here for you to answer your questions. And we are always here for your help. Yeah.